Welcome to Italy, a country renowned for its rich history, stunning landscapes, vibrant culture, and world-famous cuisine. Join us on a journey through the heart of Italy. Step back in time as you explore Italy's historical treasures. Visit the majestic Colosseum in Rome, marvel at Florence's iconic Duomo, and walk through the ancient ruins of Pompeii. Every corner of Italy is steeped in history. Immerse yourself in Italy's artistic and architectural wonders. Admire Michelangelo's David in Florence, the breathtaking frescoes of the Sistine Chapel in Vatican City, and the romantic canals of Venice. Nature lovers will be enchanted by Italy's diverse landscapes. Explore the rolling hills and vineyards of Tuscany, the majestic peaks of the Dolomites, and the pristine beaches of Sardinia. Indulge in the culinary delights of Italy. Savor traditional dishes like pasta, pizza, and gelato. Explore bustling food markets, and enjoy a wine tasting tour in the vineyards of Tuscany. Experience Italy's vibrant culture through its festivals. Celebrate the colorful Carnival of Venice, witness the thrilling Palio horse race in Siena, and watch the historic Calcio Storico in Florence. The warmth and hospitality of the Italian people are legendary. Engage with friendly locals in charming piazzas, savor a coffee at a street cafe, and enjoy the lively atmosphere of local celebrations. For adventure seekers, Italy offers a variety of activities. Hike the scenic trails of the Cinque Terre, ski in the snowy Alps, and sail along the stunning Amalfi Coast. Indulge in some retail therapy in Italy's fashion capital, Milan. Explore local markets and artisanal shops for unique handcrafted souvenirs and high-fashion items. Traveling in Italy can suit any budget. On average, you can expect to spend $74 to $150 per day, covering accommodation, food, and local transport. Luxury travelers can indulge in high-end hotels and gourmet dining experiences. Before traveling, check the visa requirements for your specific nationality. Many visitors can enter Italy visa-free for up to 90 days. Ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your stay. Whether you seek adventure, relaxation, or a deep cultural experience, Italy offers a journey like no other. Come, discover the magic and charm of this enchanting country.